Hello everyone, welcome to M&Mg, Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. We are close to our 100 subscriber goal thanks to many of our viewers who shared our link in various group chats and on their web pages. Thank you very much for your support. Special shout out to Knots and Rick for promoting our page. So what we're going to do now is ask people to start submitting their names if they're interested in winning a t-shirt or a tote bag. So, and then we'll do a draw. So what we would like you to do is go to our Facebook page and leave a message saying that you would like to enter the draw on the Mr. and Mrs. Gold's Facebook account. Or another option is that you can send us an email at goldgonzalez@gmail.com. Leave a message and just let us know that you would like to enter in our competition, and we will definitely send your name into our draw. And please provide an email address and a name that you would like us to use on YouTube so that when we announce the winners and we do our draw. All right, thank you very much. And thanks again for your support. Remember to like and share the video because we're going to have other contests coming up.